I get so excited to bring you these fabrics. Oh my gosh, and the deal making is amazing. So we're going to start with this Ponchorama. This is a viscose, has stretch in both directions, more in one direction than another. It's a gray. It's a beautiful color gray. It's that dark gold gray is actually what it is. Stunning piece of fabric, Italy, just beautiful, great drape, pair of pants, slacks, jacket, you name it. Just pairs beautifully with this next piece. The next piece is Balenciaga. It's a wool cashmere silk. This piece, a wool cashmere silk. It's reversible. Look at that. Is that gorgeous? Oh my goodness, is it pretty? So all of these are on really special pricing because when I was in New York, I said to him, you don't even know it's here. Because I was digging. Anyway, so this is something else I found. This is a Loro Piana. Remember we had the membrane, the storm system that he made for Zegna, that Loro Piana made for Zegna. So this is it, except it's half the price because I talked them down. So this is the blue. It has stretch in one direction. This is 100% wool. It is backed by it's called the Storm System. I don't know if you remember all this, but this blue was, stuffed in a corner, and I said, you don't even know it's here. Give me a better price. So he did. Anyway, so this is a beautiful piece. It's 100% wool, Storm System from Loro Piana and Zegna. Just gorgeous. We have a black. This is a boiled wool knit. It has stretch in both directions, more in one direction than another. I mean, this stuff is gorgeous, and I'm telling you, you have to check these prices out. They're crazy. They're crazy low. I mean, they made, whatever. They're really good prices. Okay, here is 100% cotton. This is also Balenciaga. Isn't that beautiful? Like, you could do 2 layers. It doesn't have a pretty back. So you could do 2 layers and do a scarf, do a blouse. But it's a beautiful pairing with this black. It goes beautiful with the gray. I put these together so they could really look at that. Oh. Okay, anyway, this last one, that 100% cotton, Balenciaga. This is a viscose knit. The brown, I put this in because it's got this blue in it with Storm System. And look at it, pairs so beautifully with that blue. That blue just really picks up that brown, and it's very, very pretty. $14.99 for the viscose. All right, you guys, the prices will stay low today and tomorrow, and then you know what always happens. They have to go up. So the goal is beautiful fabrics and happy sewing. Bye. From Silhouette Patterns.